This is a typical 110-220 electrical box. In it you'll find a motor start on-off switch DC power supply. This particular picture is a newer model with the yellow, blue, and orange wires going to the DO3 cartridge valve and the 2-button switch handle. The motor start provides power to the 2-horsepower motor and also to the DC power supply. We use a motor start to take the initial electrical surge off of the on-off switch. You'll find that we split the black wire on the on-off switch. The power goes into the top of the motor start, exit out the bottom to the motor on the machine. And also you'll see a black and white wire that runs over to power the DC power supply. The power supply will accept either 110 or 220. It doesn't matter which voltage you have coming into the machine. The motor start is 110 or 220. The coil is specifically for the voltage coming into the SuperShare. For diagnosis purposes, if you turn the on-off switch on, the motor start should collapse. The 2-horsepower motor, of course, should start, and you should see a green LED light on the DC power supply. If you don't see the green LCD light and the motor does not start, more than likely the motor start has been damaged. If you have an LCD light on the DC power supply and the motor is not running, very possibly you have a bad motor, bad connection in the motor, something to do with the motor itself. We suggest that any time you open up this box, you unplug the machine first, as it is all hot wires, and to avoid electrical shock, the best thing to do is unplug it. We do ground the box lower right corner with the green wire, so if you getting any type of electrical shock while you're holding onto the machine, that ground wire could have come loose or something of that nature. If you have any questions about repairing, please give us a call. We'd be more than happy to walk you through the connections and diagnose the problems for you.